It was cold, it was raining, and the night felt endless. A tiny kitten waited, hoping someone would save it from the rain. Then a kind soul stopped. Sometimes warmth comes from a heart.
A tiny kitten was freezing. The dog made a choice and carried it to safety.
The little kitten was ready for a peaceful sleep. A gentle friend made sure it was warm and safe. And together, they drifted into a calm and cozy sleep. The little kitten woke up, still cozy under the blanket. A gentle friend had prepared breakfast. And in a sweet moment, the kitten thanked its kind companion.